We grow a little older every day, watching seasons pass us by, and all the things we used to hold so close now only live inside our minds.
I still set your place at the table
without even knowing why.
A mother's heart still waits for you.
With tears she tries to hide. Hold close the ones you love
Before the years are gone,
nothing in this world means more
than the place where you belong.
Come back home.
You don't want another day to break without you.
Come back home.
These empty walls still whisper about you.
Home was never bricks and stone.
Home is you when you are here with us.
We don't wanna grow old alone.
Come back home.
I walk these halls in silence now,
Hearing echoes of your laugh
and every picture on the shelf
feels like a piece of the past.
If you could see us standing here,
You know love never changed.
no matter how far life pulled you,
Your